My name is Emma, and I love bright Saturday mornings. I am a friendly English teacher with many creative ideas. Today, my brother Mark and I decide to visit the big mall. I need some new clothes for my summer English lessons. Mark wants to find a modern jacket for his university classes. We stand near the entrance and look at our long list. The mall is very large, clean, and full of light. My wavy brown hair is tidy, and I feel very happy. Mark wears his favorite green hoodie and looks ready for a walk. I have a pink cardigan that matches my brown eyes perfectly. We check the floor map to find the best clothing stores. There are many people around, but the atmosphere is calm. I am a proactive girl who likes to plan everything. Mark smiles and says that shopping is a great adventure. We start walking towards the first shop on the left side. My skin tone looks light and fresh in the morning sun. I imagine finding a beautiful dress for a special party. The shopping center has many floors and hundreds of windows. Mark holds the map and points to the second level. I hear soft music playing from the speakers above us. We move past a tall fountain with clear blue water. Every shop window looks like a colorful work of art. I want to buy things that are useful and very stylish. Mark is a fast walker, so I try to keep up. My warm smile shows that I am in a great mood. We talk about our favorite colors and fashion trends today. The 2D Disney World around us is bright and charming. My expressive eyes see many interesting things to buy. We reach the elevator and wait for it to arrive. Our shopping day is just beginning with this simple plan. We enter a large store with many beautiful summer dresses. The air inside is cool and smells like new fabric. Mark takes a black shopping basket from the metal stack. I see a row of blue shirts that look very elegant. My soft cartoon features light up when I see a sale. There are many mirrors on the white walls of the shop. I touch a silk scarf and feel its smooth texture. Mark looks for the men's section at the back of the room. I find a yellow blouse that is perfect for sunny days. The price is good, so I put it into our basket. Mark finds a pair of gray trousers for his architecture work. He checks the size and looks for a fitting room nearby. I enjoy the process of choosing new things for myself. Every dress has a unique pattern and a bright color. The shop assistant is very polite and speaks English well. I ask her about the material of the blue skirt. She explains that it is high-quality cotton from a local firm. Mark is busy looking at some dark leather belts today. I am a proactive shopper who checks every single shelf. My wavy hair stays in place while I move around. We find a comfortable corner with a soft red sofa. Mark puts the heavy basket down for a short moment. I see a beautiful hat that matches my pink cardigan. We laugh because the hat is a bit too big. Shopping with my brother is always fun and very easy. The 2D Disney style makes every color look very vivid. My eyes are searching for a special gift for Mom. Mark suggests buying a nice white umbrella for her. We add the umbrella to our growing collection of goods. This store is a great success for our Saturday mission. I find a beautiful blue dress with small white flowers. This is exactly what I wanted for my teaching work. I hold the dress in front of the large mirror. Mark looks at me and gives a friendly thumbs up. "That color is perfect for you, Emma," he says. I feel like a princess in a classic Disney movie. The fabric is light and very comfortable for the skin. Mark finds a denim jacket that looks very cool on him. He puts it on and looks at his reflection with pride. We both agree that these are our best choices today. My smile is wide because I am happy with the dress. Mark checks the pockets of the jacket and finds a button. We are a team of smart and proactive young shoppers. The shop is getting busy with more families and teenagers. I see a girl who wears a dress similar to mine. We decide to go to the fitting rooms to try everything. The lighting in the fitting room area is soft and warm. I hang my blue dress on a small silver hook. Mark waits outside and checks his phone for the time. I try on the blouse and the skirt very quickly. Everything fits perfectly and feels very high quality today. My 2D cartoon face looks bright in the mirror light. I am satisfied with the quality of these new clothes. Mark calls me to see if I am ready to pay. I step out and show him the final summer look. He claps his hands and smiles at his little sister. We put our old clothes back on and take the new ones. The journey through the mall continues with great energy. My eyes shine with excitement for the next shop. We move to the cashier desk with our favorite items. We walk to the shoe store on the 3rd floor. Mark needs new sneakers for his morning running hobby. I see many rows of shoes in every possible color. My brown hair is a bit messy after the fitting room. I find a pair of comfortable white sandals for walking. Mark tries on some green sneakers that match his hoodie. He walks around the store to test the soft soles. The floor is made of shiny white tiles that reflect light. I sit on a blue stool and try my new sandals. They are very light and perfect for long city walks. Mark decides to buy the sneakers and a pair of socks. We have 3 large paper bags in our hands already. I am a proactive teacher who likes to stay organized. I check my shopping list and see one more thing. We need to buy a new notebook for my English lessons. Mark knows a great stationery shop on the ground floor. We use the escalator and look at the mall from above. The view is amazing with many people and bright signs. My pink cardigan looks bright against the gray escalator. Mark holds the bags carefully so they do not fall. We find the stationery shop near the big bookstore. I choose a notebook with a beautiful mountain landscape. Mark finds some professional pencils for his architectural drawings. We are happy to find everything we need in one place. The afternoon sun shines through the glass roof above. I feel a bit tired but very satisfied with our day. Our Disney-style world is full of charm and soft colors. Every detail of the mall is designed for a good time. Mark suggests taking a break before we go home. We look for a cozy cafe to sit and rest. We stand in a small queue at the final shop. I hold my credit card in my hand, ready to pay. Mark puts all our bags on the wooden counter. The cashier is a young man with a friendly face. He scans the blue dress, the jacket, and the sandals. The screen shows the total price of our shopping trip. I pay for my things and Mark pays for his jacket. We receive a long paper receipt and put it away. The cashier puts our items into big eco-friendly bags. I say thank you, have a nice day in English. Mark smiles and takes the heaviest bags from the counter. He is a very kind brother and helps me all the time. My wavy brown hair looks gold in the shop lighting. I feel a sense of accomplishment after our busy morning. We walk out of the store and breathe the fresh air. The mall is even busier with many late shoppers today. I am a proactive person who finishes tasks early. Mark looks at his new sneakers inside the box. He is very happy with his architectural pencils too. We find a small cafe that smells like chocolate and coffee. There are many empty tables with comfortable green chairs. I choose a table near the window to see the street. We put our bags on the floor next to our feet. My 2D Disney features are soft and very relaxed now. Mark goes to the counter to order some hot drinks. I wait at the table and look at my shopping list. Everything is checked, and the mission is complete today. I feel very lucky to have such a wonderful brother. The sunset starts to paint the sky in orange colors. This is the perfect moment to enjoy a short rest. Mark returns with 2 cups of hot chocolate and cream. The smell of cocoa makes me feel very warm and cozy. I take a small sip and smile at my happy brother. We did a great job today, Emma, Mark says. I agree and look at our many colorful shopping bags. My blue dress is safe inside the biggest paper bag. The sunset light through the glass roof is very beautiful. Our Disney-style story ends with peace and chocolate. I am a teacher who is ready for a new school week. My brown eyes reflect the golden light of the evening. Mark tells a funny story about his university professor. We laugh together and enjoy our quiet time in the cafe. The mall is slowly closing its doors for the night. I am proactive and think about my lesson plan for Monday. But for this moment, I only think about the cocoa. We stand up and take all our bags to the exit. The air outside is cool and the city lights are bright. Mark opens the car door for me like a real gentleman. I put my new hat on and look in the car mirror. I look like a happy character from a hand-drawn film. My light skin tone is glowing in the street lamps. We drive home through the busy city streets together. I plan to show my new clothes to my best friends. Mark is excited to start his new architectural project. This shopping day was a logical and wonderful experience. I value these simple moments of family and friendship. Everything is organized, tidy, and full of joy today. I am Emma, and I am ready for my next adventure. The story of our shopping trip is officially finished. We arrive home and start a quiet Saturday night.
The best comment under this video gets English lessons, completely free. So go ahead and write your comment now.